Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two finance tools platform, which is Synder and RefreshMe. So let's quickly dive into it. Able to decide which of these tools can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. Synder is ideal for business that handle a lot of sales and need automated accounting. It syncs well perfectly with QuickBooks and Xero, making it bookkeeping fast and hand-free. The automation is impressive, saving time and reducing errors, but it can feel pricey and a bit complex to set up for beginners. Talking about RefreshMe, on the other hand, focus more on financial tracking and insight rather than full accounting. It's simple, easy to use, and it's great for smaller setup or individual. However, it lacks advanced features like detailed reconciliation or invoicing. So in conclusion, my conclusion, Synder is better for growing businesses, while RefreshMe fits those who want a lighter and simpler financial tools. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.